Hello everyone, welcome back. Network Exploit here and I am Pashupati Bania. I'll be the mentor in this video. In this video, we are going to talk about IPv4 VLSM. VLSM means variable length subnet masking. Internet service providers many face a situation where they need to allocate IP subnet to different sizes as per the requirement of customers. One customer may ask class C subnet of 3 IP addresses and another may ask for 10 IP address. For an ISP, it is not feasible to divide the IP addresses into fixed size subnet. Rather, he or she may want to subnet the subnet in such a way which results in minimum wastage of IP addresses. As we take an example as an administrator have 192.168.1.0/24 network. The suffix /24 pronounced as /24 tells the number of bit used for network address. In this example, the administrator has three different departments of the different numbers of host. The department is sales department, has 100 computer, and the purchase department has 50 computer. Account department has 25 computer and management has 5 computer. In CIDR classless interdomain routing, the subnet are a fixed size. Using the same methodology, of administrator can't fulfill all the requirement of the network. For that, the following procedure shows how VLSM can be used in order to allocate department-wise IP addresses as mentioned in this example. And the first stage will be to make a list of subnet possible. The sublist include subnet max /notation subnet host. Okay, and subnet max will be the 255.255.255.0 and slash notation will be /24 and the host for subnet will be the 254 as well as 255.255.255.128 and the slash notation will be /25 and the host for subnet will be the 126. As the slash notation increases and the subnet max also will be the change and the respective to the host or for the subnet will be changed. Okay, as you can see in this image. Okay, and step 2 will be the sort the requirement of IP in descending order highest to lowest. That means cell cell have 100 computer and purchase department have 50 computer and account department have 25 computer and the management have the 5 computer. And the step 3 will be that we'll be allocating the highest range of IP addresses to the highest requirement. So let's assign 192.168.1.0/25 with subnet max will be the 255.255.255.128 to the sales department. The IP subnet with network number 192.168.1.0 and has 126 valid host IP addresses which satisfy the requirement of the cell department, and the subnet max used for this subnet has one that will be the as we already know that 1 byte is equal to 8 bit, and as we move from the left to right, and the first bit will be the 1 and remaining 7 bit will be the 0 as the last octet. And as in steps allocate the next highest range, so let assign 190.168.1.128/26 and the subnet max will be the 255.255.255.192 to the purchase department. This IP subnet will now network number 192.168.1.128 has 162 valid host IP addresses which can be easily assigned to all PC of the purchase department, and the subnet max use has, as we already know that 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. If we move from the left to right, and the first and the second bit will be the 1 and the remaining 6 bit will be 0 in the last octet. Okay, step 5 allocate the next highest range is that account department. The requirement of the account department is 25 IP can be fulfilled with 192.168.1.182 and the CIDR will be /notation will be / and the respective subnet max will be the 255.255.255.224 and the IP subnet which contain 30 valid host IP addresses the network address of the account department will be 192.168.1.192, and the last octet of the subnet mask is, as we move from the left to right, 1 byte is called 8 bit, and the 3 bit, up to 3 bit from the left to right will be the 1, and the remaining 5 will be 0. And in step 6, allocate the next highest range to the management department, and the management department contain only 5 computer. The subnet 192.168.1.224/29 with the subnet max 255.255.255.248 has exactly 6 valid IP addresses, so this can be assigned to management department. The last octet of the subnet max will contain 5 bit 1, and the remaining 3 bit will be the 0. And by using VLSM, the administrator can subnet the IP subnet in such a way that least number of IP addresses are wasted. Even after assigning IP address to every department, the administrator in this example is still left with the plenty of IP addresses, which was not possible if he has used CIDR, which means classless interdomain routing. As we came to the last of this video, guys, in this video we have talked about the IPv4's VLSM, which is variable length subnet masking. I hope you have got the point how to do VLSM in IPv4. And if you have any queries or any queries or the doubt related to the IPv4 VLSM, feel free to reach me on the social media, or feel free to comment in the comment section of YouTube channel. And in the next video we'll be talking about IPv4 reserved addresses. So for that time, have a good day, guys. Bye bye.